Today in the grain market, we got a big surge out of soybeans, those record hot temperatures in the Pacific Northwest and even into Canada are really starting to take its toll, and it gave us a chance to reverse our decline in the grain market really as a whole. I think that the 49-cent rally just is an indication of how far we've fallen, and the strength in the market as we're going into this final week of the second quarter. At the certainly end of the month, I think futures were definitely oversold. We have got traders really trying to balance their positions kind of ahead of the big report on Wednesday. July options are now off the board. That really took off a big piece of the open interest into these markets as well, and it's kind of to a dramatic point actually. Now the CVOL is still up to 37% on the soybeans, and I think after today it's going to be even more. So we're going to watch for that tomorrow. Corn did rebound as well. I think that the bullish U.S. report expectations, and I think has everyone a little bit nervous that maybe the market did get a little bit overdone. I think it's leading with the worries of tighter supplies coming out. That's really going to inject an awful lot into this market if the numbers come up. There has been a little bit of hand wringing that the numbers could really push the market higher, and I don't think people want to get caught short at this time right now. December futures were up 26 cents today at one point, so that just tells you that we're starting the week out really with a solid comeback, as it were. Now, as we face one of the most important weeks really of the year, I think that everyone is really starting to look towards Wednesday and what those acre numbers are going to be. All the traders are evening up their positions and fast. Now, the CVOL for corn is at a whopping 49.2%, even though it's down quite a bit. Now, wheat was also higher. Those record hot temperatures are really making a difference. 100 plus heat in the Northwest and in Canada, I think are making a big, having a big impact on the market. We've got Kansas City wheat up double digits, over 20 cents. We've got even Minneapolis wheat that got up over 27 cents. That's really leading the way. I think that's telling us that while wheat normally is following corn and soybeans, they did not want to be left out of the mix here today. It looks really, really strong. I think the CVOL at 37.9% just tells the tale that even though we're down, we're at 37.9%. That really says that there's huge volatility in the market. Now, normally a big drop in open interest is not really friendly for a market like this, but we are not in normal times anymore, and we're still in June. Open interest had a huge drawdown. This just giving the market and traders an opportunity to step back in, and of course Wednesday's numbers I think are going to be precipitate that movement and that activity back into the market. So it certainly looks like the volatility that we see now is going to continue at least for the foreseeable future.